Welcome to this expert-level road sign quiz, designed to challenge your knowledge of the 40 road signs most commonly missed in driving tests. In each question, you'll see two signs that look similar, but only one is the correct choice. Your goal is to select the sign that accurately matches its official meaning. Whether you're a learner driver getting ready for your exam or a seasoned motorist brushing up on the details, this quiz will help sharpen your recognition skills and improve your road awareness. If you find this useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more trusted driving resources. Let's begin. Which of these two signs indicates that stopping is strictly prohibited? Image A or Image B? Select the correct sign that represents an upcoming yield or give-way junction. Identify the sign that warns of a transition into a single-lane roadway. Which sign is used to mandate a complete stop at an intersection? A or B? From the options provided, which sign signals that a divided highway is about to end? Determine which sign indicates a side road joining the main route. Which of these signs designates a priority road where through traffic has precedence? Can you identify the sign that marks the presence of an emergency lay-by area ahead? Which sign illustrates a crossroads where one road has priority over the others? Select the sign that prohibits the entry of motor vehicles. Which of the two countdown markers indicates you're 3 stripes away from a level crossing? Choose the sign that warns of slow-moving vehicles operating on the road. Which sign marks the end of a dual carriageway configuration? Identify the sign indicating a T-junction with railway tracks running parallel on the right. Select the sign that indicates the termination of a no-stopping zone. Which sign prohibits all motor vehicles, with the exception of pedal cycles being pushed by hand? Identify the sign that indicates a side road merges from the left. Which of the following signs warns of a gradual curve to the left ahead? Select the correct sign that signals the presence of a flagger directing traffic ahead. Determine which sign provides advance warning of a steep downhill gradient. Which sign alerts drivers to a sharp reverse curve turning to the left? Identify the sign that marks the beginning of an authorized parking area. Which sign indicates that a divided highway is about to begin? Select the appropriate sign that signifies a railroad crossing ahead. Which of these two signs serves as a warning for an upcoming road bump? Choose the correct sign that restricts access for vehicles exceeding a specified width. Which image represents a crossing of a divided highway? Identify the sign that marks a fixed object located within or beside the roadway from both directions. Which sign indicates the end of a designated pedestrian zone? Select the sign that shows an additional lane merging from the right. Identify the official sign that indicates a designated truck route. Which of these signs prohibits articulated vehicles from proceeding? Choose the correct sign that warns of a 270-degree right-hand loop curve. From the two options, which sign denotes a narrow underpass ahead? Which sign indicates that oncoming traffic has the right of way? Select the correct sign that marks the end of the shoulder driving zone. Identify the sign that designates a shared path for both pedestrians and cyclists. Which sign provides advance warning of a roundabout junction ahead? Choose the sign that restricts access to vehicles transporting hazardous materials. Which of the two signs denotes the maximum allowable speed limit? And that wraps up our quiz on the 40 most commonly failed road signs. We hope it helped you spot the differences, sharpen your knowledge, and feel more prepared for the road ahead. If you found this quiz useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more expert driving content. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay alert and drive with confidence.